is a process. Hera is not perfect. Gia is not perfect. Nala's not perfect. Junior's not perfect. Ego's not perfect. Tron's, none of our dogs are perfect. But as long as we continue to keep doing the work and putting forth the effort, like I'm going to keep doing with Hera, to be clear, like you've seen here what I've done with Gia, she will get better. A lot of people expect perfection the first time, but that's not reality. When was the first time you ever tried something new and you perfected it the first time? That's one thing I love about dogs, because they test your patience. They actually make you better as a person. Stay tuned, people. Take care of your dogs. Remember, progress is a process. And always remember, just do your best. Good girl, Gia. Hey, Momos. Here. You got all the stuff on the floor. That's on me. That's me. That's my bad. That's my bad.